Rabies, a disease most of us associate with wild animals or distant places. Yet, it's one of the deadliest diseases known to humanity. But what makes it so terrifying? Why is it considered 100% fatal once symptoms appear? The rabies virus belongs to the Rabies family and spreads primarily through saliva, often via bites from infected animals. Once the virus enters the body, it travels through the nervous system at an alarming rate, targeting the brain. Rabies symptoms often start as mild flu-like discomfort but quickly escalate. Patients experience anxiety, confusion, hallucinations, and a symptom known as hydrophobia, an intense fear of water. But how does hydrophobia manifest? It starts with difficulty swallowing, which worsens over time. Even the thought of drinking water or the sight of it can cause extreme panic or spasms in the throat and diaphragm. These spasms are so severe that they can be triggered by a mere breeze or sound of running water. This isn't a psychological fear. It's a neurological reaction caused by the virus attacking the parts of the brain responsible for swallowing and respiration. The inability to swallow leads to drooling, which is why infected individuals often appear to foam at the mouth. Hydrophobia is one of the most distinctive and harrowing symptoms of rabies, marking the point where the disease has progressed to a fatal stage. The reason for the 100% fatality rate? Once rabies reaches the brain and symptoms like hydrophobia appear, there's no effective treatment. The disease progresses relentlessly, leading to coma and death. But dogs aren't the only carriers. While canine rabies is the most well-known, other animals also pose a significant threat. In North America, bats are the primary source of human rabies cases, while in Europe, foxes are major carriers. Raccoons, skunks, and even stray cats can harbor the virus. Understanding which animals are risky in your region is key to prevention. What makes this virus so effective at killing? It's a master manipulator. Instead of traveling through the bloodstream like most viruses, it moves stealthily along nerve fibers, bypassing the immune system. This allows it to reach the brain undetected, where it begins its lethal assault. So, why aren't we all terrified? Modern medicine has a powerful weapon, the rabies vaccine. If given promptly after exposure, it can prevent the virus from taking hold. But the key is speed. Once symptoms develop, it's too late. What's even scarier is how widespread rabies still is. Every year, tens of thousands of people, mostly in rural areas of Asia and Africa, die from this preventable disease. How do we protect ourselves? Vaccinate your pets. Avoid contact with wild animals. And seek immediate medical attention if you're bitten. Rabies is a grim reminder of nature's power, but with vigilance, it's a battle we can win. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe and like this video. That means a lot to me. See you next time.